going on? It's Steve. Hope you're doing fantastic today. This is another 3-minute guitar lesson, super short, super easy and fun. And today we're going to do Hey There Delilah by the Plain White T's. What a really cool song. I'm going to play it in C major, but I've got my capo on the 2nd fret. Technically, I think it's in D major, but I find it easier and it sounds better to put your capo on the 2nd fret, and then you play this chord. Like that. It's a bit easier to play. You don't have to do the craziest bar chords right there. So let's get right to it in under 180 seconds. So again, I'm on a C major, right there with that capo on the 2nd fret. And we go to E minor. So you can either strum it, if you want to, or just go down, up. Like that right there. That's sort of how the real song goes. C major to E minor. Does it twice. To A minor. A minor to G to F real quickly. Back to G major to A minor. Back to G major. So the whole thing goes like this, or that middle part goes like this. Ready for the chorus, and the chorus goes to the C. C major to A minor. G, real quickly on the G, and back to the C major. C major to A minor. G, C major. A minor. G, C major. A minor. Now the bridge goes like this, when he says 1,000 miles away. Goes to the F major, to the G major, to A minor. Sorry, make sure I got that right. 1,000 miles seems pretty far, but they've got planes and trains and cars. Oh, sorry, it goes to the C major right there. But I'd walk to you if I had no other, to the A minor. Yep, that's it. And it goes to the F. One more time. G. And he sort of, does it a couple times. That's the C major down to the A minor. And then finally, at the very end of that, after doing that a few times, he goes, Delilah, I can promise you that by the time we get through, that's the G, goes to the A minor there. The world will never be the same, and back to G. And you're to blame right there. And it starts it over at the very beginning with the C major to the E minor right there. So it just does the verse and chorus all the way through again. Easy peasy, well, sort of. It's a little complicated right there in the middle, but I hope you did good. Let me know in the comments. Hit like, hit subscribe, share, and stick around on the channel for more 3-minute guitar lessons. Later.